This is the Sim. It's going to be a Sim 72. You can see we're already up to 4 floors, and we have 8 sections going up. So it's 8 times 6, and then we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sections. We still have another 40 feet. So we got 7 times 8. So 42.
56.
Whatever. Anyways,
Yeah,
it's way up there, and the whole pole is only 12 pounds. What's nice is you can reach this, you see, and it comes down, reachable. This is section 8, so it's 8 times 6, and we still have 4 more sections to go to get up to 72 feet. And in this building, I'm running out of building. But just to show you, put your foot down, look at that. We're over the top of the building,
Yeah.
and we still have 2 more sections to go. And I'm a weakling, and I can do this. So, and you can see, as you go up, you see how a pole bends? And that's the problem after 50 feet. And it took a long time for me to get a pole that doesn't hit the building. You see, the old poles, UD3K, this would be hitting the building. But now with the high mod and the Kevlar, you don't have it hit the building anymore. And that's the whole key. And Kevlar will stop electricity a lot more than regular 3K high mod. And that's why we have the Stop Shock Kevlar pole, and we're the first to do this 6 years ago. Anyways, and you can see I can reach this, and it's super fast coming down, and that's why we have the O-rings. But it depends how you tighten this. If you want it let down fast, ow! I don't have the O-ring on that one. That's why I have the O-ring.
You should wear gloves when you do this.
Well, no, that's why I did the O-ring. And you really don't want it to hit like that, because that way the clamps come out. But you can see I can bring it right down. But notice, these I didn't have the O-rings. Look at my hand. You see, and the ones with the O-ring, it won't stop. I mean, if it comes down, you see how my hand goes out? You know, and I like the O-rings better than the tape I used to use, the electrical tape, or the what do you call, stretchy tape, rescue tape. So we are the first to put these O-rings in here. You see, look at that. It hurts a little, but it's not that bad. I'm going to try to get some thicker ones. Anyways, this is going to be the Sim 72. One of the best poles on the market. Thank you, SimPole calling.